My name is, I can't wait to be famous. Voodoo on the way. I know it's been a while, but thank you for being patient. Cardiacbeatz, just in case I never said it, thank you. Look like yeah. Look like yeah. Yeah. Let's clear it up for rumor seekers. Make it make sense for gossip speakers. I am him, exactly what you heard, exactly what you see, and exactly what you get when you greet. For example, you think I'm the type who don't like to talk. I'm not Campbell, I'm a pretty young fellow. I can settle for mellow, my heart was bricks. I stopped playing, learn to Lego, my ego wavy, Muriri Daisy, but the attitude scavy. Think I'm crazy, probably cause you seen I naked. Couldn't believe it with your naked eye. Well, I couldn't make this up. Speak up, I can't hear you through the whispers. Gold features, detail like whiskers. Tamarasta, big dada, none other. By his who God's color, they can't help but judge a book by its cover. So why stutter? By his who God's color, they can't help but judge a book by its cover. So why? I'm from a city where chasing chicken is priority. Loyalty exists when side bitches act accordingly. Mothers fall pregnant and their dreams become stagnant. Many years passed, but daddy's never present. Baby goes to school for a better future. Unemployed, depressed, baby turns to a user. Boo. Over here, that's the fashion. Fabricated is closure. We wear layers of emotional baggage. As life gets colder, reality clothed us. Qualified, nobody ever gets hired. I'm from a nest where birds with pretty feathers never could fly. And I am Bob Marley, but the women in my life won't stop crying. Why you never see me smiling? We been what's divided. I can't let my head down cause I wrestle with lions. Open eyes set me apart from the mindless. Lonely men of the island, at least I had friends in the blindness. I've been with the wildest. I'm a product of my environment. Suffer in silence, grow tougher in violence. Cause crying is for amateurs. From an adversity where adversity builds character. Lucky if we make the life expectancy. Life after school just isn't what you expect to see. Government funds are the main dependency. Over here we go through a midlife crisis at 26. And I, raised by my biggest source of anxiety. Lust for flesh fills my thoughts of sobriety. Daddy left, sometimes we text, he's trying, okay. The truth is, he don't listen to my music. Blames it on profanity. Never mind what the message portrayed. He can quote Earman verbatim, but it's fuck what I say. You get it? Fuck what I say by Earman. Whatever, roses. Voodoo on the way, man. Voodoo on the way, man. Voodoo on the way, man.